Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Authui Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Ensure your Authui library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the Authui library, the Windows Authentication User Interface library. It manages the rendering of the Windows login screen, PIN prompts, and password entry fields. Corruption results in a black screen or failure to log in after boot. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error indicates a corrupted or missing Windows system file. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to restore core components including Authui Library DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Authui library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. It is important to avoid manual installation of Authui Library DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Authui library references. If this fix repaired Authui library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.